It's the mid-season, and this video will show you the progress of our vegetable garden from the winter weeds to 4-foot tall tomato plants. It's the everyday man back again. On May 2nd, the dirt was rock hard and loaded with weeds. We removed all the weeds first. Then we rototilled the ground and added peat moss and fertilizer. After the rain stopped, we planted the vegetables. And 2 weeks later, the beans were coming up nicely. After a week later, I rototilled the weeds for the very first time. And after weeks and weeks of more rain, we were overdue to rototill the weeds again. It's amazing what a great job it does and really easy to do. And here we are today on June 30th, 8 weeks into the season. I hope you stick around to see the best part when we start picking everything. And with that said, it's the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.